Hey guys, here's how you can make new Chaos Sonic in Gacha Online. Also, this is my new friend. Oh, I meant to say this is my old friend. He wasn't online for a month because he was on his AC. Anyway, let's just get over it. Anyway, so real hair 29, ponytail 167. Anyway, back hair 52. Ford face AC 4349. Eyes 56. Sleeves 56. Gloves, just choose any of them. Pants 16. Socks 121. Shoes 83. Jacket 34. And you're and you're done. Anyway, here's the color. Pause and copy it. 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 Yeah. And you're done. Oh, yeah. No, I forgot. Just paste it, and you're done.